I am here in Beverly Hills and I just got my hair done. And I am feeling so much more confident. And it's not a superficial thing. Actually, there is research and proof that shows that there's chemistry in the brain that shifts when you wear certain things and when you pay attention to your image. And that internally validates you and builds your confidence. So a lot of times you might hear, oh, that's so superficial, what you wear and how you look. It's more about the inside. But what if you knew that there's a symbiotic relationship between the outer and the inner when it comes to building your confidence? Are you mindful of what you put on your body as you go out the door, go on a date? Are you paying attention to your body language and the signals that you're sending out to the world? Your attitude, your moods directly impact how people perceive you, and that will build your confidence overall. And the other thing is really paying attention to your energy. Energy is part of the outside. It's the way you stand, it's the way you talk, the tonality. Tonality is actually part of a nonverbal communication, which will add to the attraction when you're meeting people. And if you want to know more about how to master a great first impression, come check out my next workshop on that. Click the link below and I hope to see you there.